Hi, it's me, Veronica V, Power Coach. So one of the greatest challenges in creating your online course is, funny enough, not the framework. Those are the technicalities of it, yes. It's not the curriculum. It's so much more. It's the idea, the course idea, the course topic that you're going to choose that you know is going to sell, you know is aligned with who you are, it's relevant to your story and your experiences and so on. That is where the challenge is, and that's where many people get stuck on their course idea and then never really crystallize anything because you're all stuck in your head with so many ideas. So how do you come up with that one idea that will change your life and everybody else's life that you touch with this? I call it the gold dust effect. You know, I'm all about the gold dust. So identifying your gold dust of experiences, of knowledge, of gifts, stories, talents, triumphs, failures, all those things, right? That's the gold dust, but that's like everywhere. That's what you're made of. So how do you transform your gold dust into a golden nugget? That's the course idea. Well, this is what I had to do. First of all, I had to identify what I had mastery in, what I was really proficient in and really good at. And that was coaching and teaching. I'd been a teacher and educator and TELC examiner for over 10 years. That was like most of my working life. Those were the two things out of everything else that I had mastery in. Next, what was I passionate about? I was passionate about making a difference in the world, inspiring people to unlock their potential so that they can do greater things in their lives. That's what I was passionate about. And what were my experiences that I really had mastery in? As a teacher and as a coach, I was really experienced in creating programs and lesson plans and courses because as a teacher, that's the majority of my life. I had mastery in that. As a teacher, as an educator, as a coach, passionate about making a difference in the world and knowing that I was good at lesson planning and program creation and all those things that come with teaching, I was like, bloody hell, that's my golden nugget. I'm going to help other coaches, uprising coaches, consultants, creatives who want to make a difference in the world by helping them create their courses. Boom, whoa, when I had that breakthrough, I was like, whoa, this is it. And you can do the same for yourself. How are you going to turn your golden or your gold dust into a golden nugget? Comment below. What are your thoughts when you go through that process? Let's have a conversation. I'd love to know what your golden nugget is. Comment below.